Hey everyone, just a little update to kind of show you how this works, at least temporary until it gets onto the full SaaS. And I will provide the script in the course site as well, but I did want to give you guys an update to show you one of the things that we're doing. One of the things that we can do is create a proper schema for you. Let's say we're talking about rank, how Google weights internal linking and stuff, okay? So let me show you here. We're going to grab all the entities off this page. Quick and easy. Again, I will provide this for you. This is it here. And I'm going to paste all those in here. You'll notice that's a special outline here. It's basically the term, tab, and the link to that URL. So because this is about rank, we're going to have to manually add this one, whatever we're doing it about. So I'm going to paste it on the first line, paste, and then I'm going to press tab to get the appropriate delineation there, copy the URL, paste the URL, and then select all, Command A, copy, and then we're going to come over to the schema generator. And you paste these in here, Control V, and say add entities. And you'll see it brings them all down here on the side. Well, this particular article is about rank. We add that. You can hold Control and modify. We don't need this or this or this. We're not talking about any of these terms are not mentioned within the article. So we can go ahead and remove some of these. And we've removed those. Then we're going to tell it to generate the schema. Then copy the schema. Go somewhere like classy schema so you can see it here. And there's your beautiful schema all set up for you. Not too difficult, not too complicated, but again, even if you want to add your own manual entities in there, you're going to be doing that through something like Notepad++, easiest tool to do it with. Again, it's whatever the article title is on Wikipedia, tab, and the next bit. Yep. This also means that you can do this with products. Say you're talking about other entities that don't have a Wikipedia site. So say you're talking about a Dell laptop or a hardware piece of equipment, you could do the same thing there. Put the exact model in here, provide the URL, whatever your source information is, and that's what's going to be in your about or mentions. Anyways, talk to you guys later. Join the Treasure Map course, like, share, subscribe, and join our free Google Meets that we have every single day. You can find the link on the website at mastercoursereviews.com. or you can join our Facebook channel, which is Facebook/SEO Training Camp. Anyways, have an amazing week, everyone. See you guys soon.